YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is one of my first Halloween makeup tutorials. I did this fun, colorful skeleton. This was inspired by Crispy's skeleton that she has up on her channel. I'll leave the link to her video down below in the description box. But for this to be my first time doing Halloween makeup, I think I did a pretty good job. The only thing I'm critiquing a lot is my teeth, because I feel like they could have been more detailed. But yeah, like I said, for my first time, I think I did a really good job. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 Makeup on Snapchat. No, Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram, Shiley1990 on Snapchat and Twitter. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's hop right into the video. First things first, I'm gonna take my this E.L.F. Poreless Putty primer and use that to prime my face today. Okay, then I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix and NC47. That much. I'll take a beauty sponge. This is just a pawpaw sponge from Shop Miss A. Yeah, this isn't gonna be light enough. This is too much of my regular skin tone. So we're gonna have to put something on top of this to make it lighter. I'm gonna take the lightest Brainstorm. It's not the lightest one I got. I still have samples left. I'm just gonna stick with this Beauty Bounce 210 foundation. Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. I'm gonna take the spoolie side, brush my brows up and over. Then I'm gonna take my Shop Miss A eyebrow sculpting brow pencil, and this is in dark brown. I'm gonna do too much with the brows today because I don't want it to take away from the rest of the face. Essence brow gel. Just use that to set my brows in place. I'm gonna take this E.L.F. Flawless Foundation in Chai and put one pump on the back of my hand. One pump. I'm gonna take this E.L.F. eyeliner brush. This is a flat brush. And use that to carve out my brows. Then I'm gonna take this again, everywhere. I'm gonna take this Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Halo. Put some directly on my eyes. I don't think I might as well fully commit. Then I'm gonna take this AOA Studio E107 brush. It's this slanted fluffy brush, and use that to blend it out. I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush. It's a fluffy brush. And we're gonna go into my NYX Ultimate Brights palette. And we're gonna take this purple color. And put that right in the upper crease part. Now what I like to do is slowly pack and blend. So I pack a little, then I blend a little. I'm gonna take this Morphe 507 brush. It's just like a detailer brush. And we're gonna go into this blue color down here. And put that like right here. In with that same brush without picking up any additional product, and just blend everything together. So it's seamless. Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna take this white right here. We're gonna pick that up with a Morphe M421 brush. I don't like how big that mirror is. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. I'm gonna take these iconic, I Envy by Kiss iconic lashes from the Chic Icon collection in number 4. Oh my god, I wasn't recording any of that. Oh, I don't even know what you guys saw, what you didn't see. Basically, all I did was drag that purple down. I hate that. Drag that purple down up under my eye. I took the purple from the Juvia's Place palette and picked it up on an M507 brush and put it in between this black, which is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. I'm so mad at myself because I thought I was recording all of that, and the phone went dim, and I'm like, well, does that mean the phone's dying? No, the phone isn't dying. The phone was never recording. All right, it's just the bottom part. Y'all lost me. But we're back now. I'm sure that it's recording now. That's why I say maybe I need to get contacts, because with contacts, I would have been able to catch that earlier. But let me know in the comments if you guys need more help as to what I did in the bottom area. So then I'm going to take that M433 brush, and I picked up this pink from the Juvia's Place palette, and we're gonna put that right by the temples. I guess we can take that same pink and put it like right here. That 507 brush, and I'm gonna pick up this teal turquoise color, and we're just gonna put that right along the outline of that pink. Recreate that right outside the temples. Go back into that purple and put it. We're gonna go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and on that same E107 brush that we started with, I'm gonna pick up this white. Take my NYX white base, white for anybody who can read that good, And this is just a skinny brush I had from a set from not Forever 21, Michael's Arts and Crafts. And we're just gonna use that to draw. Well, first blend that out. Then take that same that same M433 brush, and without adding more product, put some pink on the nose. But I like to do what I like to do. This is my first time doing this. Something like that. Now that is as good as it's gonna get for me. So I'm gonna close that, but we're gonna need it again, so don't put it away yet. I'm gonna take this M423 brush. No, I'm sorry, M421 brush. And we're gonna go back into that NYX Ultimate palette and put that purple that we started with at first. Okay, I had to pull out the extra lights because it's getting dark outside. I really waited too late to do this, so I'm paying for it now. I really wish I'd have natural light, but when life gives you lemons. Naïve glitter eyeliner in number 9. Use that to trace the nose. Okay, and then you have something like that. Then I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, and I'm just gonna rub my finger across it and put it over where we put that white down, because I'm not crazy about how that white's looking. Crucial parts of this whole thing, I'm about to draw on my teeth. So we're gonna go back to that skinny pencil we used. Skinny paintbrush. And we're gonna go back into that NYX base. And we're gonna take lines. Teeth on. The same M421 brush. I'm gonna go back to the Zulu palette, go back into this purple. Take the same M507 brush, and I'm gonna go back into the turquoise. Pick it up and put it on my bottom lip. Then I'm gonna take these bling stickers I got from Michael's. And if you want, you can spray the whole look with your favorite setting spray. I'm just using my Wet n Wild Photofocus and Cucumber. Okay, you guys, so that's the completed look. For it to be my first like Halloween look, I think I did a good job. I mean, other than like my teeth going up into my nose, I probably could have drew like practice makes perfect. 5 years from now, 2 years from now, hell, I'll probably be a lot better at Halloween tutorials. But And the natural daylight, I feel like this would look so much better in natural daylight, but time got the best of me and I started too late. But I think I did good. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully I can get one more Halloween-ish look in before Halloween gets here. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified every time I post a video. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.